Hello friends, now we are going to say about Hund's rule or Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. This also explains the electrons filling into orbitals of atoms, how they occur. In the above principle, we have studied that how electrons occupying the energy levels from lower to higher and even in the subshells also. But still some clarity needed in the understanding that how electrons are occupying different orbitals in a subshell. That means the orbitals the same energy. We call these orbitals with the same energy as degenerate orbitals. Now in this Hund's rule it explains how electrons occupy the orbitals in degenerate, which are being degenerate. The statement, let us see about the Hund's rule statement. It states that all the degenerate orbitals first occupy with a single electron, then only pairing takes place. In other ways, electron pairing takes place only after filling all the degenerate orbitals with a single electron. Means if there are 3 or 5 or say 7 orbitals in a subshell, all these subshells will be filled with a single electron first, or completely all the orbitals are occupied by one electron, then only pairing takes place with the remaining electrons. For that, let us see one simple example. Let us take one of the elements oxygen, whose atomic number is 8. Let us see its configuration with the orbital symbol 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Let us try to understand the same with orbital diagrams. First, 1s orbital, it has 2 electrons. Next, 2s orbital, it is also having 2 electrons. Next, 2p subshell, it has 3 orbitals, 2px, 2py and 2pz. Let us consider this is 2px, 2py and 2pz. Let us consider this. Now there are 4 electrons in the 2p subshell. These should be occupied in these 3 orbitals. This happens first, all the degenerate orbitals, all the orbitals present in the subshell will occupy single electron first. So out of 4 electrons, one will be here, one here and then one more here. After completely occupied by single electrons all the orbitals, then the remaining electrons come for pairing these. So in this way, all the degenerate orbitals first occupy single electrons, then only pairing takes place. This is explained by Hund's rule. And one more, we say Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity also. That is second part in this rule. That explains that all the degenerate orbitals will occupy with the single electrons first, and the two, these all single electrons will have the same directional spin. That means these all might be in the upper direction or up with the positive spin, or they might be all with the negative spin. So first electrons will have the same spin. After completely all the orbitals occupied by single electron the same spin, then the remaining electrons come and pair with these in the opposite directions. This is a Hund's rule maximum multiplicity. So to understand to explain the students in simple manner, we say first all the electrons occupy the orbitals in single and they occupy in the positive spin. Then the second electrons which are coming for the pairing will be shown in the downward direction. This is Hund's rule.